HobbyKidsTV. We drive through a great big muddy puddle. I love muddy puddles.
Oh dear, I don't know that was mud. Was it mud? Was it something else? Oh no.
Let's just keep driving to our picnic. What? What's going on?
Uh-oh, I think we're stuck in more mud.
Imbecile pigs. Little do they know. I pooped.
Oh, Nigel, you're just so dreamy.
Bite my pet, or I shall poop on you too.
Aw, snap. Mummy, Daddy, let's just have our picnic. Ignore the mean Nigel bird.
Mud, 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 mud. Mud.
According to my calculations, that is not mud. It is feces.
Oh, that's terribly gross. Whee! George Pig, get out of that poo immediately and jump in the lake to take a bath.
Whee! Ouch.
I shall poop on you at midnight.
Because it's more evil.
Oh no, he didn't. I'm hungry.
What a nice sunny day to eat a wonderful picnic. Surely nothing can ruin this day now. Except for maybe that.
I pooped on their picnic.
Nigel, sweetie, I hate to break it to you, but you can't fly, remember?
Oh, poop.
Whee!
Gabi, what are you doing?
I'm rolling around in the mud, silly. That's what frogs do. It's not poo, it's mud. He was just performing.
Gabi, how could you give away my secret? I am a performer.
Oh, no, you're the love of my life.
I stand corrected. It is mud indeed.
Yay! We can go back home. We had a wonderful picnic, aside from the mud.
Or was it?
Thanks for watching, everybody. We had fun with Peppa Pig and all the other fun characters. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
Giddy, 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 pop, pop, pop.
Now that I can dance to. Popping good. Pop, 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 pop.